I'm gonna break the step-by-step process down for you to make $650 an hour without really having to do much at all. So, if you're the kind of person who wants to start making money online right now without having any fancy skills or experience, then you might want to keep watching. You can do this method from absolutely anywhere, and it's completely in your control. All you need is your device, internet connection, and the instructions that I'm about to lay out for you. So pay close attention, especially to my bonus tips and recommendations that I'll be dropping along the way. If you like the sound of today's video, smash that like button and let's get right into it. In fact, let's start off with one of my favorite recommendations to make for any beginners wanting to make money online. Click the first link in the description box down below and you can get access to a done-for-you software that helps you go from $0 to $500 a day as a complete beginner. But please keep in mind that this is only available for the first 25 people who click the first link in the description and sign up. So if it's still available, you can get access to a done-for-you system and see the best way to make money online. Anyways, let's get back to the tutorial. We're mainly going to be using two platforms today, and the first one is Coinbase. I know, you've already probably heard about Coinbase by now. But for those who don't know about Coinbase, it's basically a marketplace where you can buy and sell cryptocurrency. As it is said right here, Coinbase is the easiest place to buy and sell cryptocurrency. Sign up and get started today. So basically, you can come here and, for example, sell your Bitcoin, sell your Ethereum, Litecoin, all of those cryptocurrencies in exchange for money, of course. But what you can also do as well is exchange the actual cryptocurrencies, so you can exchange Bitcoin for Ethereum, for example, and vice versa. Now, let's make this crystal clear right now. You will not be trading any cryptocurrency with today's method. Now, since we won't be trading any crypto here, it's really no use I go over the website's features. If you are interested in cryptocurrency, then feel free to take a look at Coinbase here. But I won't be doing that. I'm going to get right to the point instead. What you need to do when you first come onto Coinbase is scroll all the way to the very bottom of the page, and you want to now find and click on Affiliates right over here. This is because we want to promote this platform as an affiliate. And as you will soon see, Coinbase is an awesome platform to promote as an affiliate. They offer some fantastic features for their affiliates. For starters, check this out here. When you refer a new customer to Coinbase, you'll earn 50% of their fees for the first 3 months. In essence, you will earn 50% commissions for the first 3 months. If you go over to Google, you will be able to see that average commissions range from 5 to 30% maximum. So as you can see, Coinbase here will pay you much more than most other websites. And it's not just because of the commissions. It's because of who the people you have referred are. They are interested in crypto, obviously, and there are people who invest thousands and even hundreds of thousands of dollars with Coinbase on a regular basis. So just imagine how much money you can make since you get 50% commissions for the first 3 months. The potential to get paid big time is enormous, and it will increase even further thanks to the traffic sources I'll be sharing with you in this tutorial. Now, another thing that is very much worth mentioning that is quite important for us as affiliates is that more and more people every single day are getting involved with cryptocurrency, whether they are mining it, investing in a particular currency, or whatever. More people are getting interested in crypto, which means that more people would need Coinbase, and that in turn means that you as an affiliate can make a lot more money than if you were promoting some website that most people have already heard about before. For those wondering, you can see how they will pay you right here, through PayPal as promised. But apart from that, you can also get paid directly to your bank account, which is great. Also, if you go back to the homepage here, you will be able to see that Coinbase works in over 100 countries. So for those wondering, it most definitely works all over the globe, which is yet another awesome feature on this platform. To summarize, Coinbase is not your typical website you are promoting as an affiliate. People who who are using it are sometimes investing big money into crypto. And combine that with the huge commissions, and you can already see that you can earn some insane money here. And since more people are getting involved with crypto daily, that means you will have more people to refer to this website, boosting the potential amount of money you can make. And lastly, this works worldwide. To sign up to the affiliate program, what you need to do is click Become an Affiliate here. Then continue to enter in a bunch of your data like your full name, email address, password, all that stuff. Once you sign up, you'll just have to wait like a couple of hours before you get approved. And when that happens, you will be able to receive your special affiliate link. When someone clicks on this link, they will be referred to Coinbase and start trading crypto, and you, in turn, will also start making money as well. Now that you have signed up to the affiliate program and gotten your link, the only thing missing is the traffic. And the very first method you can use to get traffic to your link is through the use of Facebook groups. And here's what you need to do. First off, type in something like crypto or cryptocurrency in the search bar here and select groups down below. And Facebook will now show you all of these groups where people discuss cryptocurrency on a daily basis. And what you now don't want to do is leave a post in some of them. This is because the majority of the members in the group would have heard of Coinbase, obviously, but what you want to look for instead are new members. So each and every time someone joins the group, you can contact them first and talk to them about crypto, and then send them your affiliate link to Coinbase and tell them that if they need a place to sell and buy crypto, this is definitely where they will need to look. Do this for as many of these groups as you possibly can. If you join like 10 of them, and even if the individual groups get only 10 new members on a daily basis, that would still amount to 100 people you can contact. And only a handful, like 2 or 3 signing up to Coinbase, would be huge for you and would earn you thousands of dollars in pure passive income. Obviously, this is rather rigorous and somewhat annoying work that you will have to do, since you cannot leave a post that many people will see and instead have to contact individual people. So the money, even though it's quite a bit of money, is simply put not made in pure passive income. But nevertheless, you can still make some decent money online. But what if you don't want to do any work? What if you just want to set this up on autopilot? Well, I've got you covered. Using this platform here, you can get your affiliate link in front of literally millions of people. As you can see, over 500 million buyers with just a click of a button with no skills or experience. It's that easy. Those people will not only have the money to spend, but will actually be interested in Coinbase, since, as I mentioned before, more and more people are getting involved with cryptocurrency nowadays. In short, you will be able to make a lot of money using this tool to get traffic. And most importantly, in passive income as well, because as it's said right here, you get all the traffic you will ever need with no effort involved. With that said though, this is not a free software. You do unfortunately have to pay for it. But I got you guys a great deal, and you can grab this for less than 20 bucks. I highly recommend you at least give it a try, especially since it offers a 100-day long money-back guarantee. So you basically aren't even risking your cash if you give this a try, and you have so much more money to potentially make. In case you are uncertain about this software, then feel free to use Facebook. You'll be able to make a lot of money from Coinbase nonetheless. So that wraps up today's tutorial. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel with notifications on so that you never miss out on an incredible money-making method. See you next time.